Come on, let's continue walking, my friend, while we are brisk walking here at the park of our community. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the acorn tree, but so far I only see one squirrel. Yeah.
Taking him on a walk with you, are you?
Oh yeah, sure. Come on.
Huh?
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm fine, my friend. Yeah. 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 Here. So we are kind of climbing up the hill. So that's a tennis court. And yes, my friend. Yeah, I'm walking. Still walking. And that's the pool. Our pool. It's a beautiful day. That's why I decided to walk to the park. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching and see you later on again. Thank you. Bye-bye. And that's the park.